Let's talk about a cool, somewhat recent discovery, the Forest of the Weird. The Forest of the Weird is this very intriguing underwater kind of garden that was discovered in 2017 on an underwater volcano almost a mile beneath the Pacific Ocean. And it is pretty much entirely populated by these weird alien-like, not actual alien, sponges and corals. There's quite a few different types of those sponges, which are actually animals and not weird plants, like this one, which is a very interesting type of glass sponge, which is kind of elevated up onto a stalk. There's a variety of other types of corals as well, and more types of sponges, including these guys that are now called the E.T. sponges after the movie E.T. And what's interesting and just the tiniest bit ominous, these guys are all pointing in the same direction. Like pretty much every single type of sponge that has directionality, as well as the corals, they're all pointed in the same direction. Now, this is likely for food purposes because there is a current that flows through there, so it is hypothesized that the reason that they all point the same way is they are pointing into the current, and since sponges are filter feeders, when the current blows through these sponges, it sweeps all of these little planktonic animals into the sponge where they are eaten. This was a very interesting discovery, albeit a couple years ago now, but it's still very fascinating, and these little ET sponges have only been observed once before, so this is pretty cool to see them again.